Hello everybody, in this video I want to introduce you to AI Detector Pro. This is a tool which allows you to take any piece of AI generated text, identify parts of it which might sound more AI generated, humanize it step by step, and finally helps you evaluate the document using tonal analysis to see if the document sounds AI generated on a higher level. This is the best AI humanizing tool you can get, and in this video I'll show you how to use it step by step. To get started, click on this register button and register an account for free. Once logged in, you're going to be greeted with this screen. Go on the right and click New AI Scan. Here you can paste some text which might be AI generated. Here I'm going to request Gemini to generate me a YouTube script in 4 paragraphs about the history of Bangkok, Thailand. Alright, I have my 4 paragraphs ready. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it to AI Detector Pro right here. If the language of the text is different, you can see what other languages it supports here, but this one is in English. After that, I'm going to click Analyze. So when this is finally generated, I'm going to click this. And you see here, it says this content is most likely written by AI. So we have the score of 98 out of 100, which is AI. Now here, as you see, AI Detector Pro has color-coded this piece of text with red and orange. Now the redder the color is, the more likely this paragraph exhibits signs of AI. Now here we also have this section called tonal analysis. Now if the orange almost fully encircles the blue, then this document sounds less like AI. But here you see the blue actually encircles the orange more. If there is more blue outside the orange, your document sounds more like AI. Now this is a more holistic view of how the document sounds, not granular as we saw before. You also have some additional statistics here, like the use of complex words or long words, or how its paragraphs are organized to see how much this is AI. Now to get working on this piece of text to humanize it, I'm going to click on this button called Open with AI Eraser. Now here we have a more granular analysis of what's going on with this piece of text. Now if we hover over some of these texts, for example this one, it says it's a GPT overused word. Captivating is a word that GPT uses more frequently than humans do. Same can be said about embarking and bustling. Like normally we don't use these words as much, so when AI generates it, you can easily tell that this is generated by AI. If we hover over the ones with squiggly lines, it says there's a high probability that AI would choose this word. Consider rephrasing or changing this word to one that is not listed. So AI is also likely to use some of these words. So it's better to rephrase it without using those. Now here we have some options. We can go paragraph by paragraph or humanize the whole document. Let's select this paragraph 2 and click Suggest Paragraph Humanization and click that. And here we can also use this slider for this to be better writing or more human. For example, most humans might not be perfect in their grammar and they might use simpler words. If you want more of that kind of document, you can move this slider on the left. But for this one, I kept better writing. So we have this new piece of text that I can use to replace the other one. And here, that text is now replaced right here. If you're working on a business or financial document where you need to work on each paragraph step by step, that is a better approach. But if you're okay on letting AI Detector Pro go through the whole document and humanize it at the same time, all you need to do is to click this button called Humanize Document. Here it says this is rewriting the whole piece of text, and this can take up to 15 minutes because this is working on every single paragraph step by step. Alright, it says the rewrite is complete. If you don't like the new wording, you can change the level of humanization by moving the slider to the bottom right. Okay, I'm going to click OK. And just like that, we have the whole document rewritten and humanized by AI Detector Pro. Now I want to rescan this document to see if it actually worked. So I'm going to click Rescan Document for AI on the right. And just like that, our AI generated document is fully humanized. And if we go back on that tonal analysis that I showed before, you'll see this time the blue is almost fully covered with that orange part. That means this document overall sounds more human than AI, and that's what we're looking for. I really like how it breaks down the initial piece of text into different color schemes so you can choose how much you want to humanize it. Now, if you work on a lot of text content, I highly recommend you to sign up with the free account. They also have a massive flash sale going on right now where you can use this code to get a 50% off on their membership. I recommend signing up to their yearly membership, which is much cheaper than the monthly one, and now with the 50% off, you can get that at a really good price. I would like to thank AI Detector Pro for sponsoring this video. I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.